Hello friends, today we are going to talk about the three different types of vaccination which are available now in the pregnant woman, that is tetanus toxoid, TT, TD, that is tetanus and diphtheria, and Tdap, that is tetanus, diphtheria and pertussis. What is the difference between the three? How is it advocated by the Obstetric Gynec Society? Is from age old time tetanus TT, that is tetanus toxoid injection, has been given and is always given during the pregnancy. 3 doses are given to the first time mothers, 2 doses are given to the multiple pregnancy patients. But now with the newer advances, TD as well as Tdap has been introduced. Now why has it been introduced is because for the better protection of the newborn against diphtheria and pertussis. If the protection starts from inside the womb, then after coming out, the chances of them going through these whooping cough and diphtheria would be the least. Also, these vaccines are incorporated in the IAP, that is the Indian Academy of Pediatrics, in the form of DPT. But now the focus is on giving more protection to the baby when it is inside the womb. So the introduction of TD as well as Tdap. If you are taking a TD vaccine, that is tetanus and diphtheria, then 2 doses are advocated, which can be a month apart. But if you are taking Tdap, then only 1 dosage can suffice during the whole this thing. And Tdap is recommended between 27 to 36 weeks. Even if for whatever reason, if the mother is not vaccinated at all and if she comes unregistered to your clinic, then a single dose of Tdap just before delivery can also go a long way. Thank you so much.